What if you could turn a simple sentence into an entire video, complete with visuals, voiceover, music, and editing in just a few minutes? No cameras, no editing software, no script writing, just your idea and artificial intelligence. That's exactly what a new platform called Frameo AI promises. But is it just another overhyped AI tool? Or is it quietly reshaping how we'll create content in the future? Frameo AI is an AI-powered video creator. You start with a single prompt, and the platform turns that idea into a full-fledged video. It writes the script, generates visuals, adds transitions, sound, voice, everything. The result, a short video you can post instantly, whether it's a story, explainer, or ad. You don't need video editing experience, you don't need stock footage, you don't even need a microphone. Frameo AI positions itself as your entire creative team, compressed into a single web app. From ancient legends to futuristic worlds, create visually stunning short videos with just a story prompt. Think about how long it normally takes to create even a 1-minute video. You might spend hours writing a script, searching for footage, editing clips, finding the right music, recording audio. It's a process. And if you're not a professional editor or animator, the technical side can become a huge barrier. But Frameo AI removes all of that. You just bring the idea. The AI handles the rest. In a world where speed, creativity, and content matter more than ever, that's a pretty big deal. For creators, teachers, marketers, even small business owners, this kind of tool has the power to change everything. Here's how Frameo AI actually works behind the scenes. You start by typing a prompt. The AI processes that prompt and creates a script. Then it generates matching visuals. So once you land on the Frameo.ai homepage, the first thing you'll notice is this clean and futuristic looking interface. So go ahead and click on Create button, and here's where the magic starts. It immediately asks, what will you create today? And honestly, that alone feels exciting. Right in the center, there's a big input box, almost inviting you to drop an idea in like you're casting a spell. It's asking you to describe your illustrations, comics, storyboards, or videos, and it'll try to bring that to life with AI. Now, just below the text box, you'll see two buttons. One for setting your aspect ratio, in this case 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube videos, and the other to pick a visual style. In this example, it's set to anime, but there are other styles too depending on what kind of aesthetic you're going for. And if you scroll a little further, you'll see suggested prompts. These are pre-written ideas you can click on if you're not sure where to start. Things like Gorilla versus 100 armed or Hermione and Ron in the... These are just fun examples to show you what kind of storytelling is possible. But of course, we're going to enter our own prompt, something unique to our project. Right after that, Frameo brings up a sign-in screen. This is a super simple step. All you have to do is log in with your Google account to continue. No long sign-up forms, no waiting, just one click, and you're in. This whole flow feels smooth, welcoming, and beginner-friendly, which is exactly what you want from an AI-powered creative tool. It makes the process of generating a video feel more like playing than working. Alright, so once you've logged in and clicked that create button, this is the screen you're taken to. And this is where the AI starts thinking. You can literally see the magic happening behind the scenes. In the top section, you'll notice the full prompt that we, or in this case the user, has entered. This one is super intense, a hyper-muscular silverback gorilla facing off against 100 armed warriors in a post-apocalyptic arena. I mean, it already sounds like something out of God of War or 300. Look closely at the details of the prompt. It's not just a random idea. It includes cinematic elements like shockwaves, dust and debris, close-ups of fear, and a gritty high-stakes tone. This kind of detail is what Frameo responds to best. The more vivid your input, the more visually dynamic and cohesive your final video will be. Below the prompt area, you'll see a simple message, thinking. And yep, that's exactly what's happening. Frameo's AI is analyzing your script, interpreting the style, theme, visual tone, camera movements, action beats, and basically constructing the entire video scene by scene before rendering it. This moment right here is like waiting for an artist to finish a masterpiece you only just imagined. This phase may take a little time depending on the length and complexity of your prompt, but trust me, the results are almost always worth the wait. It's during this phase that your idea is literally being translated from text into motion. And once it's done thinking, boom, that's when the real show begins. It starts generating and previewing your video frame by frame. Picks out music, sequences everything with transitions, adds a voiceover, and delivers a short video. You can then download or tweak it if needed. For now, most videos are 30 seconds to a minute long, but longer videos can be created by chaining multiple prompts and combining the outputs using basic editing tools. Frameo AI also allows style choices, so you can request different animation types or themes. It's not just about automation, it's about putting creative direction in the hands of anyone. So, what does Frameo AI get right? First, it's fast. You can go from idea to finished product in under 5 minutes. That's unheard of in traditional video production. Second, it's simple. There's no need to navigate a complex timeline, adjust keyframes, or learn editing software. It's point and generate. Third, it unlocks creativity. You can test out wild ideas without committing hours to see if they work. It's like sketching with video, playful, fluid, and low cost. And lastly, it's accessible. Anyone with a browser and an idea can now become a video creator. No big team, no fancy gear. But Frameo AI isn't without flaws, and they matter if you're serious about content quality. Second, visual consistency can be hit or miss. One scene might be stylized animation, the next hyper-realistic. That lack of visual cohesion can make videos feel disjointed. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI to create your next video? Or are there some things that still need the human touch? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if it sparked a new thought, and subscribe for more deep dives like this one. Here on IdeaPlex, we explore the ideas shaping tomorrow, and Frameo AI is definitely one of them. See you in the next one.